Good morning, YouTubers. As promised, this is the template and the front end bumper cover, and as you can see, it is pretty close tolerance here. It took a while making the template this way. A few different cuts here and there to make it as close as possible without causing any issues, because wiring has to go in between the bottom portion here. As you can see, there's a very small space, and the wiring has to go in between here, which is also very little space. And I'm gonna go to the other side. You can see the light going under the template there. Very little space for any kind of wiring. And at the top here, for the hood latch and everything, I had to make it so this cutout here goes over the top frame, as I said before, and this goes over the bottom frame of the front end, the stock front end. This is just an extension. As you can see, the car doesn't have as much of a front end as the Skyline, but luckily the contour here for the wheel is the same. It matches up to the car. Now I'm going to go ahead and rotate this upright. Now I'm going to put the camera down so I can rotate this upright without damaging the camera or the front end. Okay, now you can see the template, how close in tolerance it is, and that's the same that it's going to be when it's actually cut and welded. It'll look the same as what it does here, and it'll sit in there just as snug. And the only thing is, I'm going to have to put some rubber bumpers at the bottom there. Something that goes over the metal itself, so prevent any chafing to the front end or any cutting of the metal into the fiberglass, as the car is going to do some vibrating as it's going down the road, and it will cut into the fiberglass if there's nothing there to prevent that. Now I'll show you what I was talking about yesterday. The template footage was yesterday evening, and this is the bottom portion of the middle. And this is the top portion. As you can see, it'll somewhat guide the air going through and aid in supporting that cooling unit when it's sitting in here. Now this is the other side, so you can see what's going to look like from here. And bear in mind that this is just the cardboard template and not the aluminum that's actually going to be going on the front end. It's not yet the aluminum bracket, so obviously it's not the same in appearance. minus the support here and on the bottom. Just use your imagination, because that's basically what it's going to look like when it's welded. It's going to be everything minus that portion there and these two corner pieces. Later on, I'm going to go ahead and do some fabricating for the lighting, because as you can see, there's nothing here for the lighting. This is going to be completely independent. Alright, that is it. Scorpion 85629 out.